Here's what you need to know before buying Brainstormer, a generative AI tool gaining popularity. Stick around to discover why it might not be the perfect fit and how you can find an even better solution, one you can try for free. First thing, Brainstormer is marketed as an all-in-one AI assistant, but its feature set isn't as comprehensive as some competitors. Tools like Jasper and ChatGPT offer broader integrations, allowing you to create content, automate tasks, and fine-tune models more effectively. Brainstormer's limited scope may leave you needing additional tools. Next thing, while Brainstormer claims to simplify workflows, the interface isn't as user-friendly as it could be. Competitors prioritize ease of use, making it simple for even non-tech savvy users to get started. Brainstormer's learning curve might cost you time better spent on your business. The third thing, its customization options are restricted compared to alternatives. For instance, Brainstormer lacks robust automation templates. If you're running a business in Malta or elsewhere, this can mean more manual adjustments and less efficiency. The fourth thing to know is pricing. Brainstormer often positions itself as a cost-effective option, but competitors like Genju AI offer superior value for money. Genju AI provides not just generative capabilities, but also tools for review acquisition, appointment scheduling, and messaging, tailored to Maltese businesses. Another thing, support can make or break your experience. Brainstormer's customer service doesn't match the round-the-clock assistance offered by competitors. A responsive support team can save you frustration when technical issues arise. The sixth point is scalability. Brainstormer might work well for small projects, but as your needs grow, its limitations become more apparent. Larger businesses may find it difficult to scale their operations with Brainstormer compared to other platforms. Next, let's talk updates. Brainstormer doesn't release updates as frequently as some of the leading tools, meaning you might miss out on the latest AI advancements. This could put your business at a disadvantage if you rely on cutting-edge solutions. The eighth thing to consider is integration. Brainstormer doesn't seamlessly connect with as many external apps as alternatives like Zapier-enabled platforms. This limitation could disrupt your existing workflow or force you to find workarounds. The ninth point is AI training and learning. Brainstormer doesn't provide detailed customization of AI models based on your specific data, whereas competitors allow for more nuanced training. This can make a significant difference in accuracy and relevance. Next, user feedback about Brainstormer often mentions bugs or glitches that take time to resolve. Stability and reliability are key factors for choosing any software, and Brainstormer falls behind competitors like Genju AI in this department. The 11th thing, security. Brainstormer's privacy policies aren't as transparent as they could be. For businesses dealing with sensitive data, a platform like Genju AI, designed with local compliance in mind, offers more peace of mind. Finally, community and resources. Brainstormer doesn't have as active a user community or extensive documentation compared to competitors. This can make troubleshooting or learning the software a slower process. So, is Brainstormer worth it? It has potential, but its limitations might not make it the best choice, especially if you need a well-rounded solution. If you're looking for a better option, check out our recommended solution, Genju AI. Tailored for businesses, it offers a 7-day free trial with no commitments. Don't settle for less. Try Genju AI today.